Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc, where I help you to sell your photos and videos online. If you are not a full-time photographer like me, I am a doctor, but if you love to click photos and videos, make sure you subscribe this channel. You check everything that's in the video description. Check my videos because I will help you to earn some money from your passion. Now jumping into today's video, there are news from various agencies. Well, there are good news and bad news. So let me tell you the bad news first. The bad news is my earnings, that is my unpaid earnings, decreased in Alamy. Yes guys, for most of you who already saw my video of first sale in Alamy, you already know the sale was of 23 US dollars. Well, there were two sales and one of them was refunded, and now actually Alamy returned the money to the buyer, and now my total balance is $11. Well, there goes the bad news. The good news is I got payouts from three agencies: Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and I had two new sales in EyeEM. So let's see. Well, we're into my Shutterstock page and you can see my unpaid earning is only $10.07 because I already got a payout recently. You can see in my PayPal page it's around 126 US dollars, right? I will zoom in for you, and that got converted and I withdraw around 8,844 rupees to my bank account. Coming to Adobe Stock, I will just request the payout around 38.41 US dollars. So what I need to do, as I shown you previously, I need to click no, I'm not an US resident, and I need to select PayPal and continue, and then I need to enter my registered PayPal email ID, and then the $38 will be credited very soon to my bank account. You can see in the payment summary, next page in the payout history, it will show two $51 payouts. There are videos for them, and now the recent one is pending for $38. Lastly, in EyeEM, you can see I have two new sales. So in previous payout history, I will show you, I had $2.72 sale. I already made a video about that, and now there is $1.92 US again in the unpaid balance. So in EyeEM, you can withdraw even this small amount. There is no minimum limit. So definitely I will just make a click and it will be requested. So total earning from EyeEM is now 4.64 US dollars. In EyeEM, this is the best thing, that is, even if you get one sale, you can draw the same amount of money immediately to your bank account. In Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, there are minimum balances, minimum limits, but in EyeEM there is no minimum limit. So that's it guys. Yes guys, with these payouts I am now very excited, and so I thought to share this video with you. So I am building my next video, which will be my quarterly earnings update from till September 2019 of this year. So please stay tuned. If you like my work and like my videos, please hit the like button and make sure you comment any query that you have in the comment section. I will answer all of them very promptly. Now time for quote of the day. If you are watching this video till now, please type good news in the comment section. So guys, that's it for today. I will see you very soon with my stock photography earnings update video. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.